Hello children, today let us revise all the E sound words that we have done so far. Let us begin with the ET words. Children, remember the sound of E is A, T. The first picture, J, T, jet, Jet, jet. Wet, 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 wet. Net, 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 net. Met, met, met. Get, get, get. Pet, pet, pet. Let us move on to the N words. The first picture, den, den, den. Hen, hen, hen. Pen, pen, pen. Ten, ten. Men, men. Let us move on to the words. The first picture here is bed, bed, bed. Red, red, red. Fed, fed, fed. Led, led, led. Wed, wed, wed. Now children, let us do the ebb word. In this we have only one picture, that is a web. Web, web, web. Now let us move on to the Edgar words. The first picture is a keg, keg, keg. Leg, leg, leg. Beg, beg, beg. Peg, peg, peg. And the last picture is an egg, egg. With that children, we have completed all the E sound words. Children, remember to practice regularly. That's all for today children. Bye-bye.